Hey there, thank you so much for taking out time and watching this video. I'll be really quick on this one, I promise. So I thought I'd create a quick video, a sort of a case study, on one of my clients, Walker's, advertising journey and how we helped him to where he is, as of today, right? So this is his dashboard. This is a live dashboard here. So Walker joined us when around in April, where his sale was around $300 and A cost was around 127%. And so then from there, now you can see there's a huge gap here. This the sales is around anything around 6 to 7 thousand. Sometimes it goes to 5,500 as well, but it's a huge jump from $300 to now about 6,000 as of today, right? Not only that, the A cost was at 127%, and now it is around 25. Usually it's anything between 16 to 25 percent, right? So how that happened, it's pretty simple. It's the same process that we follow with each of our clients. We set up a meeting before we take on books and take on projects. So that's what we did with Walker as well. And so we asked a few questions around why this book, why you want to advertise, right? And what is the goal that you want to achieve with advertising, right? So in his case, he wanted a bit of a profit as well, although he's not dependent on the book's income, but he said, I want to be profitable. And that was his idea, and he is profitable as we speak. But then we, as a consultant, sort of look at the book, look at the entire package, and then we commit to whether it is possible or not. In his case, it was possible, and that's why we sort of jumped onto this. So there are a few things that are working for Walker. I'll just quickly show you that. So this is his book. As you can see, great cover, great title. Title tells you that it is about acquisition. It is about startup. It's a business book overall, and we have about 1,059 reviews and ratings, and there are all versions up there. And with Walker, he already has some following outside of Amazon, right? So people come and search for his book, his name, and then so he has a following, and that really helped, in the overall performance. And by looking at these factors, we could say, okay, I think we can help him here, and that's what we did. Right, it is a bestseller in valuation for quite some time now. He was in the race of New York, Time bestseller author. I think he hit it. Now probably he's not there, right? So yeah, having said that, so this is how we helped him. And I know probably you are also advertising your book on Amazon, and if you think you need help, with advertising, we would love to talk to you. And when I say talking, I would love to meet you in person, because that's really important, and that's where we'll be asking you questions around your vision about the book. What do you want to achieve, from books, from selling the books. I'm working with authors who are using their books as lead magnet, because they have courses, they have mastermind outside of Amazon. For them, as long as I'm around 100% ACOS, it's good for them, right? They need more orders so that they can do business with them afterwards. And there are some like Walker who says, no, I need both. I need people coming to me to do business outside of Amazon, and I want to earn a bit of the money. So we look into the current book situation, current market situation, whether there is a demand, whether there are searches on Amazon, and then we, commit whether we will be able to help an author or not. And that's what exactly we're going to be doing with you. So yeah, so if you need help, just message me back, and we can set up a quick call, and we can dive deep into the details. I hope to meet you soon. Till then, you take care and have a great day.